The Linear Regression Interactive Calculator performs statistical analysis and predictions for engineering data relationships. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Complete Regression Analysis, Predict Y from X, Find X from Y, Calculate Residuals and Diagnostics, Confidence in Prediction Intervals, or Compare two datasets. For this demonstration, I'm using Complete Regression Analysis. Enter your X values comma separated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then enter your Y values comma separated 2.3, 4.1, 5.8, 7.9, 10.2, 12.1, 14.3, 16.0, 18.2, 20.1. Click the Calculate button now. The calculator determines the best fit linear equation for your data, showing the slope and intercept values that minimize error. You'll see the correlation coefficient indicating relationship strength, the coefficient of determination showing variance explained, and the standard error measuring prediction accuracy. The regression equation appears in standard form, ready for predictions. A scatter plot displays your data points with the fitted line overlaid, helping visualize the relationship quality. This tool streamlines regression analysis for quality control, calibration curves, and trend analysis. Find the link in the description below.